Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 battery drain after Android 13 update. So to fix this issue, first of all check your battery performance. So to do this, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here click on battery and from here you can check your battery performance. So now go back and here click on memory and then click on RAM plus. So if you are using high RAM, then select a lower one, and after that go back to settings and click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset and here click on factory data reset. Now after doing this, your all data will be deleted from your mobile. Now here again click on reset to confirm.